What's up guys, welcome back to Joevestor Trades. My name is Joseph, and in today's video I'm going to be going over 3 different stocks that are ready to run this week. But before we get into the stocks, make sure you subscribe and drop a like on this video. It helps out the channel and it's completely free to do. Also, if you want to be a part of a free trading community where we can talk about any of the stocks you're interested in buying or even hopping into some of my plays, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. Alrighty guys, so right here on my chart I have $DJUSEN pulled up, and this is a sector that tracks the oil and gas. Now, why do I have this pulled up on my chart? I want to start with this sector because as we can see on the chart, they're starting to bounce off of this 100 SMA, which is my blue simple moving average right here. We can see that they've consistently bounced off of this level and continue to make newer highs. Now, why do I have the sector pulled up instead of a specific stock? I want to start with the sector because whenever a sector is starting to bounce off a support level, you want to go to the top stocks within that sector and then play that bounce. So given the fact that oil and gas have been pulling back within the past few weeks or so, now is the time to hop into the top stocks within that sector. So the first stock I want to show you guys is OXY. OXY, similar to the oil sector, as we can see, it's presenting the same exact pattern. It's bouncing off of their 200 SMA, and this is what you want to be doing. You want to keep an eye on the sectors within the market, see what's at a nice discount, and then go to the top stocks within that sector. So OXY has bounced off of this 200 SMA consistently and created newer highs. So this is the first stock you want to be keeping an eye on this week or even playing this bounce. We can see it's at 27.82 cents and their previous high was 32.50. So in my eyes, we at least have a $5 move to the upside, and if it creates that newer high, which I think it will, then we should see this thing reach at least about $34. So definitely keep an eye on OXY this week. I'll be playing it myself, and this is a clean, easy pattern to follow. The next stock you should want to be playing this week is XOM. Again, XOM, similar to OXY, is doing the same exact thing. It's having this nice clean upward channel, and on these pullbacks is where you want to be buying the stock. We can see that they found support around the 200 SMA again, similar to OXY, and they're starting to bounce already. The stock is at 57.55 and their previous high was 62.55. Expect this to reach about $64 within the next few weeks. And as I said before, this is a nice easy play to do yourself. Even if you're a beginner, you want to look up the top sectors and play those pullbacks. Another thing I want to mention is that whenever you're trading a stock, any stock, you want to be trading with the trend. As we can see, XOM is in a uptrend, and given the fact that we are looking to buy the stock or even play call options, this is trading with the trend, and you should easily expect to make money unless it breaks this trend. Now, the last stock you should be keeping an eye on this week or even playing yourself is BP. BP is my least favorite out of the bunch. As we can see, they're right around $25 and their previous high was 27. So this one doesn't have that much upside potential in my opinion compared to OXY or XOM, but it's within that sector and we're looking to play that bounce. So definitely expect BP to start running this week and maybe even creating newer highs of about $28. So those are the 3 stocks you should be keeping an eye on this week and playing. This is a nice, easy, simple setup in my opinion. And because we're trading with the trend, the odds of us making money has increased. I want to know what you guys think about these 3 stocks in the comment section down below. Again, it's OXY, XOM, and BP. As you guys saw earlier in the video, the oil sector is starting to bounce off that support moving average that I talked about. So when that is starting to happen, you want to go to the big stocks within that sector and play that bounce. So let me know if you guys will be playing these stocks in the comment section down below. And if you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. See you in the next one.